In fact, Yes Bank, there's some buzz that we're picking up on some fundraising that Yes Bank is planning, perhaps a QIP. Let's take it across to Ajay. He's got more details on this one. Ajay?
Well, that's correct. We are gathering exclusively from our sources in the banking industry and investment banker community that the fundraising, which was very much awaited by Yes Bank, it was very important for Yes Bank, and we have been reporting the kind of players which are interested in picking stake may be launched today. We understand that it will be up to a $500 million first tranche of QIP, which goes live today. They've got very good pre-demand appetite for this paper, and a lot of interesting players have shown interest to the bankers. Deutsche, Motilal Oswal and JM are the bankers for this particular QIP. We are told that domestic investors, the big 3-4 large mutual funds, the management have been meeting last couple of days, are open to picking stake. We understand HDFC, one of the most marqueest names among domestic funds, is keen to pick up stake. But not only that, earlier we told you that private equity players are also keen to participate. So it will be a mix of funds as well as private equity, where we stand Westbridge GIC is also keen. So this is very important because their tier 1 capital had gone dangerously to the required norm level, and growth capital was very urgent for them to really survive and prosper from here on. We understand that that is happening today. So the overall $1.2 billion fundraising nod which the management took in June, this is the first tranche of fundraising which is happening. Second tranche will happen couple of weeks and months from now. It could also be in the form of private placement. So they are still keeping that window open. But the big story is that the first tranche goes live today, and this could be quite meaningful for the bank to grow from here on.
Right, Ajay. Thank you for that. Well, we understand that the QIP, the first tranche, could open today itself. So if Yes Bank is able to raise capital, at least the growth could stabilize for them. I mean, problems will not get over because you raised $500 million. But yeah, I mean, this entire challenge with the bank had, because they had no capital to lend, that this capital raising, if it goes through, it will act like a band-aid approach. It's not a permanent thing, but yeah, in this kind of an environment, even a little bit of capital raising is reassuring that the franchise is not dead per se.